Before you can run payroll in QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to add your employees. Let's go over how to add your employees, including their personal info, pay rates, pay schedules, work location, and deductions. We'll also show you how to make this easier by inviting your employees to add some of this info themselves. To start, go to Payroll and then Overview. If you are setting up, select Start under Tell Us About Your Team, then Add Employee. If you've been running payroll already, go to Employees and add an employee. Add your employee's name, email address, and hire date. QuickBooks will automatically email them an invite to QuickBooks Workforce where they can view pay info and documents. To save you some data entry, you can have your employees enter their personal, tax withholding, and bank account info themselves. Select Add Employee. Now you're ready to add your employee info. You can start with any section. Since the employee self-setup is on, you won't be able to edit tax withholding, workers' compensation, and emergency contact. If you need to pay your employees right away, or want to add the info yourself, go to Permissions tab and select Cancel Invite here. Once your employee adds their info through QuickBooks Workforce, you'll be able to see it and make changes. Let's start with the Personal Info section. Select Edit. You can update the employee's additional details like phone numbers and address. You'll need to fill in all the mandatory fields before you can save your updates. Select Save. Next, let's update the Employment Details section. Select Edit. Add your employee's status, hire date, pay schedule, and work location. All other fields are optional. For pay schedule, select Add Pay Schedule. Tell us how often you pay this employee. Let's select every week for this example. Then update when their next payday is and the end of next pay period. You can name this schedule. And if you want to use it for other employees, just check this box. The pay periods are the days you're paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 pay periods based on the info you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. If everything looks good, select Save. Now that you're done updating the pay schedule, you'll need to add a work location. The work location is the physical address where your employee works. You'll see the address you gave us when you added your business details. If your employee is based out of a different location, add the work location. When you're done, select Save. To update the payment method for this employee, select Edit. For this example, let's select Paper Check. Select Save. For base pay, tell us how much you pay your employee. Select Start. You can select from hourly, salary, or commission from this drop-down. For this example, we'll set up an hourly rate. Enter the rate per hour here. Select Save. Under the additional pay types, you can also add other pay types like overtime pay or bonus. Select Save. For other pay types for items like commission, select Edit to update the details. When you're done, select Save. Let's update the time off section. Select Start. If there's any change to the vacation policy, or you need to add a new one, you can enter it here. You can also update the sick pay and unpaid time off here. When you're done, select Save. If your employee has any deductions like health insurance or retirement plans, loan repayments, and more, add them by selecting Start under Deductions and Contributions. Select Add Deduction/Contribution. Then fill out the details and select Save. When finished adding all the deductions, select Done. You've added your new team member. Nice work. Repeat the same steps to add your other employees.